Well, as we age, our body changes, and ladies, it doesn't just happen to us, it happens to men too, especially when it comes to their prostate. But there is a new treatment that can help some of the issues that the men in your life may be having. Dr. Ganesh Sivarajan with Northwest Urology Associates is here to tell us more about this treatment. But I want to start with talking about the prostate, because we hear about it, especially as men get older. You know, they have enlargement or whatever the case may be. But what is the prostate, and what function does it serve in a man's body?
Well, the prostate is a unique organ. It's part of the male sexual tract. It contributes the fluid that our sperm swim in.
Okay.
But because of its function, it's located within the urinary tract, which is why it has some of the ramifications and problems that you just discussed.
Yeah, and we hear about it as men get older. So there's something called BPH. What is that, and why should men be aware of what it is?
Well, BPH stands for benign prostatic hypertrophy or hyperplasia.
Okay.
And what that refers to is the prostate's unique ability and unique fact that it grows until the day we die. When it grows into the center of our urethral channels as men and possibly into our bladder. And that causes the symptoms of BPH, specifically urinary obstruction, slow urine flow, inability to empty, and frequent day and nighttime urination.
Yeah, again, these are all things you hear about. I had no idea that it continued to grow throughout a man's life. That's fascinating to me. And you said this is something that men can experience kind of at the same time that women are maybe going through perimenopause. This is the same kind of time frame, middle age, you know, that men may start seeing some of these symptoms that initially you say just start as a nuisance, but will get much worse over time.
That's exactly right. Usually in our 40s or 50s, we'll first begin to notice the effects of BPH, perhaps a slower urine flow, perhaps a nighttime awakening or two. But as time progresses and we age, the problem will simply grow and grow until many men later in life may be urinating several times a night. They may begin to lose urine control. They may begin to be completely unable to empty their bladder, requiring emergency trips to the hospital. These are sort of the potentially irreversible effects of BPH if left untreated.
So we don't want to get it to that irreversible point. Let's talk about some of the treatment options that are available.
So historically, medications were initially used for most men with eventual failure if a man lived long enough and had enough swelling, at which point we went in for surgical procedures. But in today's day and age, we try to avoid surgery if at all possible. And there are a host of treatments which can address the BPH with an office procedure and avoid surgery altogether.
Which is really good news, because you don't want to, I mean, surgery is just inconvenient, it's expensive, there's a lot of things that go with it. So what is Rezum water vapor therapy? That's one of the ones that does not require surgery.
So Rezum water vapor thermal therapy is a procedure that allows us to shrink or address the prostate enlargement in the office. It's a 2 to 3 minute procedure in which we use the power of steam or water vapor to kill off the excess tissue that has grown into the prostatic channel. Because it is a non-surgical treatment done in the office, it does not require general anesthesia, it does not have significant sexual side effects of any sort, and it has very low, almost negligible risks of bleeding and infection as compared to surgical procedures.
That's pretty incredible. Any side effects to this treatment?
You know, any procedure on the prostate can have a potential side effect of urinary tract infection or temporary bleeding. But except for those types of minor side effects, they are exceedingly rare with a non-surgical therapy.
It sounds like a great option, obviously, for a lot of men dealing with these issues. If you would like more information about this therapy at Northwest Urology Associates, they are located at 14674 West Mountain View Boulevard out in Surprise. You can give them a call at 623-546-1400 or go to northwesturologyaz.com.